So I was watching one of Marko's latest videos where he was customizing a JBL speaker. I was like, wait a minute, I have a JBL speaker as well. So then I had the urge to customize mine as well. And that's what this video will be about. So the first step on the to-do list is sanding the surface I'm going to be spray painting on.
Let's do this.
It's time to stop!
So yeah, after doing that horrible sanding, I just taped it all up so I could start spray painting the actual speaker. So next step is working on a design.
Oh wait, I need the dimension of the speakers first.
Sketch looks good, the paint seems dry, time to remove the tape.
Bruh.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos just like this.
Alright, it's turning out pretty good, so let's adding a little bit of color now.
Hell yeah, we're almost finished on this side of the speaker. We just need to do a little bit of fine-tuning. One side is done, let's do the other side of the speaker, and for this I'm going for a glitch effect. Here's how.
So for those who are wondering, basically I'm gonna move what's in between those two tapes a little bit to that side. I'm gonna show you in a second. Here we go. And that creates a glitch effect.
Then you just repeat that process a few times.
That looks pretty sick. Last part is to add in the glitch colors.
Alright, so that was how I customized my JBL speaker. I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna show you a proper reveal in just a second, of course. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, of course, because I have a lot of ideas, a lot of projects coming up. For example, I'm gonna be customizing a guitar pretty soon, but also just drawing, art challenges, tutorials. It's all coming. So stay tuned, enjoy the reveal, and see you in the next video. Take care.